Hello friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we're learning how to launch Task Manager in Windows 11. Okay, and almost all of the Windows laptops are supporting the hotkeys or shortcut keys. Pressing Ctrl Shift Escape key the same time to launch Task Manager. Okay, how to do that? Just press Ctrl Shift S. You can see here I'm pressing, then the Task Manager is appearing. So in this way you can easily access the Task Manager for closing applications and check the system performance levels. So this is one of the very useful feature, and also you can pin this Task Manager to your taskbar. You can see here I'm pinned it here. So this is one of the most useful application in Windows, and also you can easily close all freezed softwares and applications. So that's guys very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.